Alright, so I always keep working and working. I keep going. And I started wondering to myself, as I saw planes filling the sky with their clouds yesterday. I'm not on that conspiracy stuff, but I'm just aware of things. Now this morning I get up and it's all cloudy. And I start thinking to myself, man, I don't even want to share anymore. It just makes me feel like some people want to rain on your parade. As soon as I started praying and got finished praying this morning, the sun poked out. There we are. And I want to share what I'm doing. I know I'm supposed to do I keep saying that. I'm not going to say what I'm going to do next. I'm just going to show what I'm doing now. There. Got the Monte Carlo back from the floor being fixed. I started making room, or my idea was to start making room yesterday. Yesterday evening I started clearing my old Blazer out. Now I had some rust here. I just got done grinding it a little bit with the wire brush and drill on both sides. And I did patch that up years ago when I did the interior as a teenager. While I'm doing that, I'm going to hit his floor in the back here the same way. Knock it down. And clean this one out kind of at the same time. I've got an old carpet here that was supposed to go to a Tahoe. But I'm going to kind of fit it in here just to have space and have it look finished in here. Took the dash out and put it in the black truck. It's the same dash. That way I can wrap it whenever I feel like it. I don't have to have the black truck apart. I would have both seats in the Impala, but I was waiting so I can do the video I was talking about sharing the patterns on. I'll leave the other one on the table as an example. I'm going to pull the console back out next. It's just sitting there in the dash. And I keep forgetting to mention the car is supposed to be painted purple. So that should go with it a lot better. Even though I don't think the black looks too bad. It'll still tie in with the black on the seats. I would do the car two-tone purple, pearl white with a black pinstripe brake. It'll go with it really nice. Thanks for watching. Peace.